SAE has a very big impact into the audio industry. In any place in the world, people recognize SAE as the incubator that produces audio engineers into the market, where they graduate with an industry standard kind of information. A sound engineer graduating from SAE into the industry is definitely a sound engineer that you can rely on. Using that platform for us actually was quite an opportunity, I look at it, especially for us as manufacturers in microphones.
I feel it's important to have these guest lectures coming in or these workshops conducted on campuses, because with any educational institution, you are bound by curriculum. And curriculum comes in from a head campus, and you have to follow, what is being prescribed. Now, that is well and good, but you also need to understand that if you are a campus that is outside of a specific region, you need to have that sense of responsibility as a campus to expose the students to the current environment they're in.
I think it's very beneficial to the students here to have a big player in the audio industry like Shure come in and give workshops. They have some of the best engineers working with them, so we can learn a lot from them. They can give us their advice and they can share their experiences with us as well. And in my own projects, I'm looking forward to using some of the recording techniques that we were showing.
A lot of the times, a lot of the industries wait for the feedback. Reaching them in an institute when their information is still fresh, this is the time when they have all the sweet time to learn.
The instructors from Shure coming in and talking about their past experience as an instructor and as a facilitator for students, I feel that I've done them justice to give them that extra experience from outside to come in and experience that for themselves.
So I share what I've done and it gave me good results, which works for them. But it's up to them to build their own experience about that particular, let's say, technique, or that particular way of miking, or that particular technique of mixing, or whatever it is. It's an endless journey in that field. You always come up with challenges and you always come up with solutions, and that's how you keep yourself alive in that industry.
Well, for having Shure to come and giving actually importance to students is actually pretty helpful and amazing to see their interest in the future of the industry.
Anything I want to add? God bless the SM57. That's it.